I know you like goat meat, so in this video I'm going to show you how to kill a goat for meat. Hello, my name is Beulah Olaride. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. I publish how-to and tutorial videos. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. The first thing is to tie the goat's legs and hold them very well in order for the blood not to splash when killing the goat and for the goat not to escape. Then use your knife or cutlass to cut the neck. The knife used here wasn't sharp. Make sure the knife is very sharp. The next thing is to roast the goat to remove the hair on the goat's skin. Some people use hot water and razor blade to remove the hair, but we are going to use fire. This is kerosene that is being used, that is being poured on the goat so that the fire can burn well. Turn the goat from time to time to make sure it is not burning. When you're done removing the hair, use iron sponge and water to wash the body of the goat to remove unnecessary dirt and of course residue from burning the goat's skin with the kerosene and fire. The next step is to start cutting the goat to your preferred size and shape. That is the bile, so you have to be very careful when cutting it. It is very bitter and once it bursts, it will ruin the whole meat. After cutting, you then clean the goat well. Cut it into smaller pieces if you want, and then use it to make asun or pepper soup or goat meat stew or whatever you'd like to use the goat meat for. In my next video, I will show you how to make asun, so do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.